Let's talk about levels of play real quick. These dogs are pretty chill, but these ones are. They're nuts. Hey! The Vizslas are brothers. They live together and they play like this all the time. Gunther will tell him. The Golden's just curious, but he wants to dominate, so we have to watch that. Meanwhile, Gunther, the girls over here have found common ground. They seem to have a little bit of rough play, as you can tell. Hang on one second, let's look. Gunther, let me see. Boys! Hey! Thank you. Like we were saying, these girls have found a common ground, but they are mouthy, biting at each other's faces. But watch, ready? Hey! Girls. Let's take it easy. They're respectful. Hey! This one's just 11 months old. She's learning. Times like this are invaluable. All right? And how about this guy? Pixel, you're doing great. These are great dogs. All around.